Here's a captivating story about the rescue of a white horse covered in thousands of barnacles. Rescue mission: saving a white horse covered in thousands of barnacles. In a quiet coastal village, a majestic white horse, known for wandering near the sea, was mysteriously missing for days. Villagers grew worried and search parties to look for the horse. One morning, fishermen spotted the horse stuck in the shallow tide, half submerged and covered with strange barnacles. When the rescue team arrived, they realized the horse was trapped and covered in thousands of barnacles clinging to its body. The poor animal had wandered too far into the water and been caught in rising tides. As it struggled to escape, the barnacles latched onto its fur and skin, causing immense discomfort. The team quickly devised a plan. They used ropes to carefully pull the horse to dry land. Once the horse was out of the water, they saw the full extent of its condition. The barnacles were clustered on its legs, sides, and even its neck. The team worked tirelessly, using specialized tools to gently scrape off the barnacles without injuring the horse. They applied soothing ointments to